hold the
Jammed
door.
up again.
Okay.
That thing won't come out.
Well, now, what is that you're doing? You're lifting something up?
Just push the arm. Just a tiny bit.
Oh, okay.
Well, you just use that little tool
Is
and
there a lever right there that you pushed
you
in
push
on,
the
or
arm
with the paint scraper?
right there. That's the arm?
No, this is the arm right here.
The arm's at the bottom. That's the arm. And
So
you
when you-
push it in with that little tool.
the scraper,
Okay.
and that released that, and that's what's going on. Is the capsule is falling down into there, or it's not supposed to be there?
It's just a little jam.
It's jam.
It's a jam. Ah.
Now, do you know what causes the jam?
No, I don't. I have no clue.
Okay.
It did say there's a photo eye. If you have a, well, it's right there.
What are you
What is
saying?
Photo eye. It's right here.
What does the photo I do?
It just sees the stuff in the carousel. That's all it does.
Or maybe some of the pods damaged, or is that from? Are any of those pods damaged? No?
Everything appears to be loaded correctly.
Yeah, it seems like it.
I mean, do you know what would be causing the jam? Okay, so should we try it then and make sure? See if that's all it was.
It doesn't look cracked or anything.
No, the carousel's okay. But it was jammed. You could tell it was jammed when you first took the tool to it, right? Okay, so then that's probably all it was. But you don't know what could be jamming it?
Do you know where those screws came from?
Yeah, they went in there. I didn't take them out though.
No, I didn't either. I don't know what those were about.
Somebody took them out.
Does it usually take this long? Yeah,
Takes a
Okay.
minute.
I guess it says it's heating up.
there water in there? Usually hear something going on. Yeah.
Water in it.
There it goes, man.
It's heating first, and then the noise is when it's rinsing.
Oh.
When it does the rinse, that's when you hear the.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there it goes. It's working, man.
Make them I know what noises it should make. And
Yeah,
when
you
it should
do.
make.
Mhm.